Welcome back to the channel, everyone. P Street Garage. It's an absolute beautiful day today, a real scorcher. And I thought I would fire the or throw the battery in my old 96 F150 and see if I could get the AC charged up. So this obviously is an air-conditioned truck, but it doesn't work. It's never worked since I've owned it. But I just thought, why not give it a try? So I got the plug off of this port here. I bought some refrigerant. So let's see if I can get hooked up here and see if we can cool this cab down a bit. It's an absolute crazy day. I got my thermometer in here and I'm reading about 35 Celsius, which is about 92, 93 Fahrenheit. And that's sitting in the shade, so very, very warm in here. So let's get this started up and see if we can bring this back to life. So I don't think it's this port because my connection wouldn't fit. It does fit this one. Now, of course, my battery was dead because this truck's been sitting. So I got this charging, but as I'm poking around, I can see a connection there. So it looks like the AC is disconnected. So this could have been our problem all along. Where's that? Try to pull that wire in. There it is, right here. Right here. I can feel it. I can feel it, but I can't get my hand on it. There it is, right there. Huh. Well, let's connect this back up. That should make a difference. So I got my hand on it. There, I just pushed it in. So it's not clipping in place. I don't know if it fell off or if somebody had pulled that off on purpose. Okay, I guess we'll find out. We will find out. Right there. Okay, well, it's pushed in now. Whether it stays there or not is a different story. Alright, let's try this before the charge. She's spinning. She's spinning like crazy. So, it was that connection. But what I did is I plugged it back in. It still wasn't working. I came back and I got some... I sprayed the connection with brake cleaner. That compressor is just spinning away. Spinning away, spinning away. Oh yeah, God. What do we get? We're in the... Of course, it's a little bit later in the day, but still. I got the cab now at 15 Celsius, which is 60 Fahrenheit. Okay, we pretty much just dropped 40 degrees. So let's put the bottle on, see if she might need a top-up. I already got the kit, so let's give that a try. So for some reason, I thought this was the low side, but that's clearly the fatter of the two lines. And that's going to be the one. Okay, I got that hooked up. Put my bottle upside down, my valve's closed, so just going to open that valve up. See, maybe I should be looking at this gauge here. According to the gauge, this system is filled. Maybe I don't need any. I'm gonna open it anyway, see what happens. Okay, so I threw a little shot in there. I think this system is full. That air compressor pulley is just spinning away, so I'm gonna call this done. I'm gonna pull this off and our old 1996 is blowing cold air. Not bad for 29 years old. And it was just the wire that was off. Alright guys, it's been another 5 or 10 minutes, probably maybe 10 minutes. The cab is sitting at 15 Celsius, which is 58 Fahrenheit. Ah, dang, I gotta turn this off now. Freezing. Thanks for watching, guys. This makes me pumped to do a bit more work on this old truck. Alright, we'll catch you in the next one.